and Darcy Medina Foundation, our board member, Sir Anton Mauricio.
Maraming salamat po, fellow educators. I am Anton Mauricio from the Rotary Club of Manila. Hindi po ako yung presidente. Si Jujut Enriquez po yun. Pero kami ni Jujut and ano kami sa Rotary Club of Manila, very infused like you and our other stakeholders with a spirit of voluntarism. So just a bit of background, Rotary Club of Manila is the mother club of all the Rotary clubs in Asia. So we are the oldest in Asia because we were under the Americans at that time, 1919. No? So this year we are 106 years old. And so as the mother club, we strive. We're also the largest club, Rotary Club in the Philippines. No? We used to have a 400 strong membership. Now we're only around 240. No? But it's very strong, very marami tayong projects. For myself, I am actually the first director in the Rotary Club of Manila for my position that was created last year. It's I am the Director for Innovation and Sustainability. I am also a trustee in our Rotary Club of Manila Foundation. So we need a foundation to support the activities of the club. How is that relevant? For innovation and sustainability kasi, i-tie up ko lang sa volunteerism. Obviously, nandito tayo instead of at home resting on a Saturday in order to learn, no? Not only to develop ourselves, but to help others. My mother was a public school teacher. My family, my titas worked for the DepEd and Jed. No? So my father was also an instructor before becoming a full-time banker. So being the son of a teacher and a banker, I also became a teacher and a banker, but just a lecturer. I lectured on strategy and accounting and finance. So I'm really a finance guy. Tell you about my background because as a finance professional, investment banker, I created magka 20 years na kami next year, I created the largest finance education network in the country, spanning 200 schools, financial management students from BS Business Administration, senior high school, and graduates, no? And also the largest association of finance educators. No? So we have in terms of financial literacy, talagang that's my advocacy. So now in Rotary Club, pagdating sa education, we saw this project brought to us by reading specialists, and sabi ko, kailangan yan. Why? Well, you know why. We need more critical thinking in the Philippines. It starts with our students. Learning, well, for me, comes from 3 areas. One is first the home, your family. Second is your school, classroom, which you are in charge of. And third is the environment. No? The environment kasi magagaling yun primarily from the home and the school. So, dito, kailangan kasi ano nangyayari ngayon? Ano yung pinakabalita ngayon? Fake news, di ba? Hindi mo sigurado yung source, ipapasa mo. It molds our mindset. Yung pala yung basis natin mali, tapos ipapasa mo pa sa iba. Starts with critical thinking and education. Starts with comprehension. And ito yung tinuturo ngayon. So dun sa volunteerism, our president gave up his job as senior vice president of Union Bank and director of Maya to become Rotary Club of Manila president. Kasi hindi kaya na meron ka full-time job pag presidente ka ng Rotary Club of Manila. Ako, director ako, pero I really couldn't spend a lot of time in Rotary until I left government last December. So I was an undersecretary for the DTI, general manager of the National Development Company. Coincidentally, 106 years old. It's the NDC, I don't know if you've heard of it. It's the oldest government company that basically is the first sovereign wealth fund. It's the first investment company of the government. So when I gave that up, focus ako dito sa service. So service above sales tayo. So I was called when Maharlika bill was being in the Senate, tinawag ako doon because I was head of the First Sovereign Wealth Fund. Sabi nila bakit hindi NDC nila yung humawa, so dinefend ko siya. Tapos kahapon tinawag naman ako private sector because I am the co-founder of the Global AI Council Philippines. Kasi yung maraming bots, pati fake news, nagagaling lahat sa AI, deepfake, di ba? Alam mo yung mga deepfake, yung hinalikan ni Duterte, si Delima, fake naman yun, di ba? Oo, pero halos totoo na yung itsura eh. So paano mo na malalaman? Doon na papunta eh. So tinawag ako as a resource speaker kahapon. You know, I was there 10 a.m. Tinawag ako to speak 2 p.m. Tapos yung mga vloggers doon, pinapaiyak ng mga congressman. And you'll see it in the news. Doon ako sa katabi ng kaibigan ko. She represents TikTok. No? Pati chismis para mabuhay ko. Ayun, so nandun ako, try to keep low. Tapos sinabi ko, si Congressman Geraldine Roman, yung taga-Bataan, yung trans. So siya yung tumawag sa akin. Tapos we're making a digital council of the Philippines. Walang bayan lahat yan, voluntarism, parang tayo. Di ba? Wala naman tayong bayan, this is all voluntarism. So, dyan tayo mabubuhay sa Pilipinas. Diyan natin maibabangon ng Pilipinas, yung spirit of voluntarism, and turning a blind eye, ignoring politics. Kalimutan natin masyado tayong involved sa politics, masyado tayong involved sa chismis. Hindi uunlad yung bayan natin dyan. Pwede lang, interesting lang makichismis, pero dito tayo, we're doing our work to develop the country. We are all patriots, diba? We sacrifice ourselves. Ako mismo, scholar ng bayan ako, University of the Philippines. Meron kami dito sa Los Baños, diba? And then dati yung isang kaibigan ko, passed away already, si Chris Vertino. He was my mentor in theater in UP. He headed the National Arts Center dito sa Philippine High School for the Arts sa Makili. So Los Baños, apart from the Buko Fire and Hot Springs, it's best. Di ba dito rin yung Hot Springs?
Yeah.
Oo. Kaya na mainit yung ulo minsan ng mga tao. Pero malinis. Kasi nakaligo ka, mainit na tubig. But anyway, on behalf of the Rotary Club of Manila, I'd like to thank all of us, no? Los Baños, Rotary Club of Los Baños Makiling, LGU, Los Baños Elementary, all of you teachers, leading specialists, for this effort. We started in Pasay the other week, a couple of weeks ago, here. I will endeavor to make this a nationwide project on behalf of the Rotary in partnership with other Rotary clubs across the country. We are going to propose that. We are going to get funding abroad so that kayo, you are all pioneers here. Iangat natin ang Pilipinas. This is where it starts. So maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang Pilipinas.